So this is the pause exercise. There is no video for this. To do this exercise, find somewhere quiet and comfortable, where you can be undisturbed for a few moments. Sit down in a comfy chair with your feet firmly on the ground, and just spend a few moments breathing slowly and steadily. And as you sit, I want you to become aware of sensations from your body. Become aware of any aches, pains, or stiffness. There's no need to do anything about them. Just notice and be aware. And now, become aware of the sensation of clothes against the skin. Check through your body and find where you can experience this. Is it around your neck, maybe where a collar rubs? Or the sleeves on your arms? Or the clothing on your legs? Become aware of parts of the body that are not covered in clothes. Perhaps your hands and your face and neck, and examine the difference in sensation between these exposed parts and the covered parts. Without looking, you know that your face is exposed to the air. Without looking, you know your hands are. Maybe your hands are resting on your lap or on the chair arms, and notice the difference in sensation between your palms and the back of your hands. Notice the sensation of air on those two regions and how different they are. Examine the air as it touches your face. Maybe it feels warmer or colder than the air on your hands. And maybe you think you are sat still, but your chest is rising and falling as you breathe. Your heart is beating, and there is movement in your chest and throughout your body as blood pulses around the system. And as you think about that, you may become aware of the pulse at various points, maybe in your fingers, or the backs of your hand, or your neck. And as you think about the breathing, become aware and breathe through your nose. And as you do that, become aware of the air flowing in through the tip of your nose into your lungs as your chest rises and then falls and back out again. And become aware of that very subtle sensation right at the tip of the nose, where the air enters and flows out. And become aware that there is a change in direction from breathing in to breathing out. And there is a point of stillness between the in and out. And there is a point that is neither of those two. And as you breathe steadily, turn your attention to listening. Wherever you are, what sounds can you hear that are near to you? What sounds are there within the room? Maybe you can hear your pulse. Maybe there is something just in the room that you can hear. And then let your listening move out to outside the room, maybe in the same house or same building or same flat. What sounds are there just outside this room? And now, let your listening go further to outside the building. What sounds are coming to you from outside? Listen very, very careful to those very subtle, faint sounds. And now let your hearing go further, and wherever you are, let them go out to the nearby town or city or across the fields or whatever is the next thing you come to, and listen to that. And let your attention go as far as you can. And now, very slowly, bring your attention back into the building, back into the nearest rooms, back into your room, back into your head. And very slowly, open your eyes and look at where you are. And see things as you've never seen them before. See the light and the colours and the shadows. Notice how, when you look in the moment, you see things in 3 dimensions. And maybe you notice something that you haven't seen before, no matter how long you have lived in this place. There's something that catches your attention. And now, out loud, say 3 things you can see. And now, out loud, say 3 things that you can hear. And now, out loud, say 3 things that you can feel. That can be physical or emotional feelings. Now, breathe in slowly and out, and as you breathe out, set the anchor. And rest here in this moment for as long as you like.